Hey, I'm Ian, and this is ReputationStacker, your all-in-one review management platform. In this short video, I'll show you how easy it is to set the system up so you can get reviews, respond to them, share your reviews on social media and your own website, and get actionable data you can use to improve your business. Now, you have customers or clients or patients. In ReputationStacker, we call these contacts. The system works by sending your contacts a short feedback survey and directing them to the review sites of your choice to post their reviews. You can customize the rating and feedback form, including choosing which review sites to send your contacts to, and selecting the rating threshold at which your happy contacts are shown one message and your unhappy contacts are shown a different message. But we actually recommend showing your review sites to all of your contacts. Yep, even the unhappy ones. Not only is it a requirement of most review sites in the FTC, our research shows that showing your review sites to all of your contacts actually ends up generating more positive reviews. Sure, you'll get a few extra negative reviews too, but the overall increase in review volume will more than make up for it. Either way, you're an adult, so you're in charge of your form settings. Now, what about those emails and text messages that the system sends out to your contacts? You can customize those too. How many messages are sent, whether they're emails or text messages or both, when they get sent out, and of course, what they say. The system will send these messages to your contacts until they submit a rating, and then it will stop. In this way, the system is gently persistent without being annoying. And if a contact submits a rating but doesn't click through to a review site, the system can send them a gentle follow-up message reminding them to write a review. This follow-up really helps to maximize your review volume. You can of course use our default settings, and you only need to set up your rating form and message templates one time, and then you can more or less forget about them because the real action happens on the reviews page. The reviews page is your central dashboard. It shows all of your reviews, what we call first-party reviews, which are the 0 to 10 scale reviews that contacts submit directly through the rating and feedback form, and third-party reviews, which are reviews on sites like Google, Facebook, and whatever other review sites you've added into the system. From here, you can respond to reviews, assign them to teammates for follow-up, share them as posts on social media, and choose to include or exclude them in the reviews you display on your own website. If you have multiple locations of your business, we call these review profiles, then you'll see them all here, which makes it easy to manage reviews for your entire business, all in one place. And speaking of managing reviews, have I mentioned that you can set the system to automatically tag reviews when specific keywords appear? This makes it really easy to do things like filter contacts or reviews to find specific data you can use to improve your business, easily identify staff or team members that contacts mention by name in their reviews, use a specific contact tag in a review campaign message template to make the message more personal to each contact, and compare and contrast groups of contacts or locations in a report. Now, let's head over to our reports to see all that beautiful data. The first report you'll see is the Net Promoter Score report, which takes the 0 to 10 first-party ratings from your rating and feedback form and shows you how you're doing over time. And the reviews report shows you how your third-party reviews on sites like Google and Facebook are tracking. You can add filters to drill down on specific review sites, ratings, locations, or tags, and you can run comparisons to compare locations to each other, compare location to itself over time, or compare ratings and reviews by tags. How's this helpful? Well, let's say you have a coffee shop and you compare reviews that are tagged coffee to reviews that are tagged tea. Looks like there are a lot more reviews about coffee, but your tea drinkers are happier. If you want to know exactly why, you can go to the reviews page and apply a filter to look at your reviews tagged coffee and your reviews tagged tea. Ah, I see now. Tea drinkers can't get enough of that green tea frap and dragon drink. Maybe we ought to bring those back and run a promo on them. That's a lot of insight from just a couple clicks. At ReputationStacker, we like to say, you come for the reviews, but you stay for the data. Now, let's take a look at our social media sharing feature. Because the only thing cooler than sharing your reviews as posts on social media is having the system do it automatically for you. You can create custom looks and the system will cycle through them at random so your posts always look fresh. And what about sharing your reviews on your own website? The review feed widget makes it easy to display your reviews on any page on your site. You can customize it to look exactly how you want it, then copy the code and paste it on your site. Copy and paste one time, and the feed will update itself whenever you get a new review that meets your criteria. Another cool thing about the review feed is that you can use those tags we were looking at earlier to only display reviews that pertain to a particular part of your business. So for example, if you have a web page about coffee and a different web page about tea, using tags you can create a review feed that only includes reviews that mention tea and put it on the web page about tea, and do the same for reviews that mention coffee on your webpage about coffee. Talk about a conversion booster. Now, as you're using ReputationStacker, you may find that you have a question. Well, help is always only a click away. You can look up answers to your questions, take a product tour, or get help from our support team. We are here for you anytime you need it. As you've just seen, ReputationStacker is the all-in-one system to get more reviews and feedback from your customers, manage your entire online reputation, and get actionable data you can use to improve the customer experience and grow your business. Remember, the single most important thing you can do to market your business is getting a steady stream of reviews. It's a key ranking factor for local SEO, it provides strong social proof, and ReputationStacker takes care of it for you, automatically. In about the same time it's taken you to watch this video, you can sign up, customize the system, and start getting reviews immediately. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. We're here to help you. And with our 14-day free trial, you have absolutely nothing to lose. The next step is to click the link at the top of our website that says pricing, choose the best plan for you, and start getting more reviews right now.